If you're too nice, people will use you. If you're too strong, they'll try to break you. If you're too kind, they'll take advantage. If you're too available, they'll ignore your value. If you're too honest, you'll offend someone. If you're too humble, they'll overlook you. If you're too forgiving, they'll hurt you again. If you're too trusting, they'll deceive you. If you're too patient, they'll delay your peace. If you're too giving, you'll end up empty. The truth is, extremes make you vulnerable. Too much of anything, even the good, can break you. Learn to protect your heart, manage your energy, and set your limits. Because balance isn't just wisdom, it's survival.